What's that?
I think a cooker thingy. It says right here, sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Chocolate fondue.
Oh, you melt chocolate in there and then you dip stuff in it, like fruit and things like that.
Really? How do you how does it work? You must have instructions. That's what we'll share to both of us.
A skirt!
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Oh, those are from Mom and Dad.
Oh,
Yeah. What is this?
what's that?
A dress.
A dress or skirt?
Dress.
I think they're just blouses. They go on over like pants and stuff, yeah.